a moment. What a sound. What a car with original Nardo dirt. Welcome to Munich, ladies and gentlemen. We created the concept AMG GT XX to break boundaries of technology and innovation in the electric age, and to transform the entire global R&D team. We created it to deliver a true electric AMG experience. With a revolutionary drivetrain, we wanted to take the unique feeling of driving an AMG to a whole new level in the electric era and keep it there, in the moment, in the zone. We just put our technology to the test under the toughest conditions in Nardo, and we smashed it. With only one car, no, 2 cars, we did it. Around the world in less than 8 days. Most of it at 300 kilometers per hour. The concept AMG GT XX set a total of 25 performance records. If you count each 24-hour slot separately, it now holds the top 14 distances ever recorded for an EV. And here's how that felt in the driver's seat from our F1 driver, George Russell.
The best moment was for me just driving the car for the first few hundred meters, coming out the pits, going flat out, feeling that acceleration, super impressive, and excited for the people to experience this speed from the battery-powered motors moving forward.
Absolutely. The heart of the concept AMG GTX is the pioneering performance electric drivetrain. We call it a faster drive. It features 3 axial flux motors with 3 times the power density of conventional electric motors, and a high-performance directly cooled battery with Formula 1 DNA. The result is peak power of more than 1,000 kilowatts and top speeds of 360 kilometers per hour. Most amazing and important is the continuous power. Where others fade, AMG delivers again and again. In Nardo, the concept AMG GTX accelerated to 300 kilometers per hour and stayed there, slowing only down to charge, before doing it again and again. An important feature of our A Faster Drive is the sound. For our customers, the emotional sound of an AMG is part of the driving experience. Well, isn't that cool? So our electric hypercar was matched with one ultra-fast charger. We worked with our partner Alpitronic to develop a special charger in parallel with the car that's industry first. In Nardo, the high-power charging hub delivered an average of 850 kilowatts through one CCS cable, another world first. We even charged the car with an impressive 1,041 kilowatts and held over 1 megawatt for almost 2.5 minutes. For the first time, charging like refueling becomes reality. We want our cars to sprint on the Autobahn and at the charging station. That's why next year the production version of the Alpitronic high-power charging station will enter our Mercedes-Benz charging network. Our technology program features many more innovations. To name just 2, we have aerodynamics by wire with plasma actuators, and the MBUX fluid light panel offers new possibilities for communicating with the outside world. What really matters to our customers is technology in action. In 1976, the C111 broke records in Nardo and supported drivetrain development for serious production. Today, our technology programs continue to put innovation in customer hands. It started with the Vision EQXX Efficiency Champion. The result? the electric CLA and CLA shooting brake, to be followed soon by the electric GLC. All with benchmark electric range and efficiency. Now the concept AMG GT XX is leading the way in electric performance, with production of series model starting next year. So are we stopping here? No. We will soon show another technology program dedicated to tomorrow, which focuses on cutting-edge innovation that drives decarbonization and circularity. The all-new electric GLC already achieves a 2/3 reduction in carbon footprint across its entire life cycle compared to the current GLC. Look out for more details on Tomorrow XX soon. Another game changer across all our segments and models is intelligence. It was a major factor in the records set by the concept AMG. Its cutting-edge software strategy was developed with our Formula One experts, combined with our Mercedes-Benz in-house operating system, MB.OS. The powerful drive controller handled the battery management system with its advanced integrated cooling. Let's look a bit closer at our AI-enhanced MB.OS Superbrain. It has 4 functional zones. In addition to the drive controller, we have also a vehicle controller. Our third zone is our MB.UX computer. It creates a new relationship between the car and the driver, including natural conversation. The fourth is automated driving, the automated driving computer. It works with our comprehensive sensor set. Together, they enable seamless and safe autonomous urban driving under supervision, also known as Level 2++. The car cooperates with you. It helps with automated braking, starting, and steering in complex urban situations. It is already available in certain markets in the new CLA. And the all-new electric GLC will have it, of course, too. MB.OS is the foundation of our software-defined vehicles, launching from now on across our entire portfolio. Ladies and gentlemen, innovation is part of our DNA, and we will keep pushing boundaries, creating desirable and safe products. And I'm very confident that we are well prepared and energized for the future. Here to tell you more, Ola. Thank you.